So here we are at the La Palma Park. It's about 6 a.m. Looks like they're throwing away some of the trash out here. As you can see, there's a lot of tents. A lot of tents. I think some people, from what I've told, have vacated the area. They're not planning to go to the shelter. So there might be a lot of this stuff that's left and tossed to the garbage, of course. But please do share the video. Do join Homeless Advocates for Christ on Facebook. Know that the police are here. They're going to do enforcement. People don't go to the shelter, so hopefully it doesn't get too ugly out here. But they have the whole area coned off. Hopefully some of the other advocates will get here pretty soon. Should be. The answer is permanent supportive housing. It's cheaper to do that than to criminalize the poor. By about twice as expensive to criminalize the poor than to get them permanent supportive housing. So let's pray that the taxpayers will fight for the truth. Hey, how you doing? I'm doing a little video right now, so sorry. Let me wrap it up. Yeah. Okay. So anyways, please share the video. Do join Homeless Advocates for Christ on Facebook. I'll try to keep you posted on what else is happening out here. May God bless you as you seek first His kingdom always. Bye.